Listen, I know some of you are out there wondering, where did this guy go? He did a bunch of experiments with those thermoelectric coolers. Yeah, and he was testing heat sinks for a while, and now I'm back with the next phase of the project. And if you're wondering where I was when I was away, it's obviously because I was working on the secret part of the secret project. And unfortunately, you will never know what the secret part of the secret project is. But fortunately, you can check out this, which is the non-secret part of the secret project. This is basically just a simple temperature controller. What we're going to do now is wire up this control panel. Okay, this here is a block diagram of the control panel. First, I just wanted to double check the LED resistor voltage. All the short legs of the LEDs are going to get soldered together. Now for projects like this where you can get away with it, I like to use this stuff. This is just tinned copper, and you can kind of run it like a thread wherever you want. It's really useful for like spreading a ground plane around, like to all these different components here. My favorite part of working with this material is that you can work it with simple hand tools, like these miniature diagonal cutters, and I especially like these miniature pliers for working with this stuff, and in general. Okay, now I'm going to wire this up according to my own diagram. I love working with this tinned copper because you just work it with your hands, almost as if you're drawing or sewing or something like that. So now you see this is the common ground to all of these. I'm going to take that in the next room and solder it. Now if you ever get a chance to work with tinned copper, you're also going to find that it's very easy to solder. I mean, after all, it's already tinned. Every single square inch of that is really amendable to being soldered. I can go right up to that knotted, twisted wire and just apply a bunch of solder to it. It goes on so fast and just flows everywhere like magic to pretty much cover up the surface. Let that cool down just a little bit, and then you can pull test it. See, that's fine. So let's do the rest of these. This is also fun because when you're done, you have an umbira. Listen.